Hello, welcome to Nattys Crafts. I'm Natalie. I always do all the crafting. And today we're going to continue on with the 12 Days of Crafting by Aldi. And so today we're going to do day 12 of the 12 Days of Crafting by Aldi. So give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. So let's go ahead and go take a look. All right, this is it. The last one, day 12. I don't think I need to talk. I think you all can just kind of watch and see what's going to happen here. I think it's another picture ornament, if I remember correctly. Yes, it's a little picture ornament. So go ahead and watch, and I'll try to put some halfway normal music behind and see what you think. So that's it, day 12. Not one of my favorites, but that's okay. It's cute. It can work. It's cute. And so here are all 12 of them. The snowman and the first picture one are my two favorites. I do like the star, the scratch art star as well. I thank you so much for stopping by Nattys Crafts today. I sure hope you could give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below and be sure to subscribe. When you subscribe, hit the bell so you know when the next video comes out. Please remember to appreciate today, as tomorrow is never promised. Thanks, y'all. Y'all have a great one.